After you have completed tracing the outline of the chosen zodiac sign, you can use different techniques to create varied texture. For instance, you can use stippling to create tonal values. Stippling involves adding small dots to the drawing to create a value range. The closer the dots are to each other, the darker the tonal value will be. You can use felt tip pen to add smaller dots that are further apart. Hence, create a lighter tonal value. In addition, you can draw lines of different thickness to add variety to the drawing and random squiggly lines to fill up the space. You can also show color contrast in your logo. In this case, I showed color contrast by having one fish in black and white and the other juxtaposed with cartoon characters inspired from Beck's drawings and included bright, vibrant colors. I chose to create a more realistic color scheme for the fish by selecting gray as the base color and coloring the fish head and fins partially. When coloring your logo, you can start layering with a lighter color for the first layer, in this case, yellow, and building on layers of darker color of orange, and finally red. I also used black color to create cross-hatching lines around the circumference of the fish head and fins. You can also experiment with short strokes to create different textures. For the cartoon characters, I also applied the seam layering technique when coloring them and adjusted the pressure applied to achieve a range of tonal values from dark to light. By applying layering of different color combinations, you can add variety to your design. Finally, you can enhance your background by adding different elements of art such as lines, colors, and shapes, or principle of design such as contrast, emphasis, and movement. For example, I divided the background diagonally to emphasize contrast of the two fishes. I applied cross-hatching to the background of the colorful fish and drew some random curved lines spreading out from the monochromatic fish. I added a sense of depth and movement by thickening the curvy lines and including thin curvy lines in between the thicker ones. I finished the logo by thickening the outline of the fish to bring out the emphasis of the logo.